Do you want to stay ahead in the fast-moving financial world? Listen, the best finance newsletters can give you the latest insights and trends that you need. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so here we go. If you've ever struggled to keep up with the constant changes in the finance world, you're not alone. But with the right finance newsletter, you can get daily updates, expert insights, and key trends straight to your inbox. It's gonna save you time. It's gonna help you make smarter financial decisions. So here are some of the best finance newsletters that you should check out, all right? First one is Morning Brew, okay? I'll put these all in the description. Morning Brew is a fun and easy to read newsletter that gives you a quick overview on the day's most important finance news. There's also the Daily Upside. They offer deep insights and analysis on big financial stories happening around the world. There's also Finimize, okay? They focus on breaking down complex financial topics into simple, easy to understand news bites, okay? The Financial Times, okay? They're known for their in-depth reports and analysis on global finance trends. There's also the Wall Street Journal's newsletter. They give you exclusive access to top financial stories and expert opinions, okay? So check those out. Stay informed and stay ahead of the game by signing up for these newsletters today. And if you like this little video, leave me a like. I love you.